Oh, another package. An Amazon package. Ugh. Sloppy Vlogs, Dave. Oh look, got a package. Got a fan sent package. Another unboxing. So I have no idea what it is either. So it's going to be something to build. I know that. So thank you so much to Aaron Gray who sent this for me to build on a video. So I'll get into this and we'll see what it is. I'm excited.
I'm not.
Right, let's get into this thing, Libby. Always be careful using a knife. Oh, I see what it is.
Is that a Ferris wheel?
That's awesome. It's a motorised Ferris wheel. Connects.
Can I have it?
No, you can't have it. Hold it up, Liv. Look at this. This is a Connects to the Revolution, which is it's motorised. It's a Ferris wheel. That is awesome. Thank you, Aaron, so much for this, dude. We're going to build this up on the channel. So we've got another video to do. We've got more building to do. I think I might actually attempt to build this one. 59 centimetres, so it's motorised. That looks awesome.
Oh my god, why do these petals even falling?
This is awesome. Isn't it, Libs? Libs wants it, but
I want all your Legos.
you're not having it, it's mine.
No, it's mine.
We've got to find somewhere to put this now. I might have to turn my loft into a fairground fairground room where we're gonna have lots of models built up. But this is stunning.
And I'll be in there all day doing TikToks.
That is stunning. So thanks for that, Aaron Gray, mate. I really appreciate that. That's going to keep me busy today and tomorrow, and I'll do a video of a full build up. Then we'll see it working. I have to phone Sam. She's at the shop. I'll have to get her to get some batteries so we can get this sucker moving. But really happy with that, Aaron. Cheers, mate. Keep them coming. I love all these builds. It just keeps me busy, and really, really appreciate your generosity in sending me this.
Can you buy me a teddy sloth?
No, you got one.
I want another one.
No, don't listen. Right, we'll get building. Woo! Yeah, somebody left a comment on the last Lego unboxing video and told me off for not recycling. I do recycle, but our recycle bin's full, so I just pop it next to recycle bin until it's empty, then we'll put it in. So I always recycle. You can even see it there. Always, always recycle. Right, let's get into this video. Obviously, people like sending me stuff because I struggle. How are you feeling now? What's my phone like that? Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Well, there we have it, the Connect Revolution. I've opened the packaging, so now I'm going to open the box to find loads and loads and loads of bits. Wow, Jesus Christ. Oh, it's the track in there. And the motor, the Connect motor. This looks complicated. The manual, which, bloody hell, the instruction manual is massive. It's like a dictionary. I'll be alright, I'll be alright. Oh my god. This could be another Sam build, by the way. I know, Aaron, you wanted me to do it, but I've got to be honest. That looks a lot. and I'm not the most patient person in the world, I've got to be honest. So I might give it a go, and I might let Sam have a look at it later. I'll have a look. I'll have a think about it. I don't know. I don't want to mess it up, but it's really cool. So I said I need to convert the loft into a man cave. That's an idea, but Sam won't let me. I'm just waiting for one of the kids to move out so I can have their room. Libby, you moving out yet? We'll tackle this thing, maybe solo or maybe together, and we'll do a time lapse and do the normal jargon. But I'm looking forward to it. It looks awesome, absolutely awesome, and it's fully motorised, which is cool. No bloody hand crank. So let's get into it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get into that and that. This build needs a coffee. Coffee first. First step of any build, coffee. So. So here we go, these are the little components needed for the next step. We have them, we have the components here. So we'll build the next step. The next step! Right, I have like this all built, which is fine. It's just these bits, I don't really see how they fit into there. That's the picture. I just can't seem to work it out, how they go on. Connect. What kind of sorcery is this? How the hell do they connect to that? See, this is why I need Sam. I need a level of intelligence to be able to build this, and I haven't got that level of intelligence. I'm quite,
Yes, you do, Dad.
I'm just impatient and I get stressed. Ugh, right. We'll do it. We'll do it. It's just gonna take the old brain power, but we'll do it. You're not beating me, Connect model. You're not beating me. We bloody solved it. We bloody solved it. Just had to use the old noggin and we've sold it. So that now is built. It's taken me about 3 hours, but we built it. We've built it. We've done the stage one.
Did it take you 3 hours, Dad?
Took me about half hour, but we've done it. We're on track. Happy days, happy days, happy days. We're on track. I've dropped bits under the table. Maybe I should do it on the living room floor. I've dropped bits all over under the dining room table. Terrific, terrific. There we go. Do we now have all that on it? Progress, progress. I'm proud of myself. Got that. Now we've got to do the track, whatever you call it. So we get all this out now. Come on, you bugger. There we go. Get rid of that. Yeah, we've got the track laid out now and we'll attach to there, I think, somehow. Jobs are good. We now have track. Do you like my necklace?
Dad, that's my necklace.
We now,
Dad, why do you steal my necklace?
we now have track. Now we've just got to figure out
Don't steal my
how to
necklace.
attach the track to that. But we are winning. We're winning. We're doing it. We're doing it, and no Sam. Sam hasn't helped me. She's still out. It's just me, so she'll be uber impressed when she comes home to find me doing this. But I do need her because she's got the batteries, so I can't get it moving without the batteries. But onwards and upwards. Still quite a bit to do though, by the look of it. This has taken me about half an hour to construct all of the individual little pieces, so that was a bit of a mission. So yeah, now, bloody hell, now we've got to connect to the track. Okay, cool. Now we're getting to the complicated bit. I've done it right up till now, so we'll do this and then we'll get back to you. Update time, right, we've got all these little ends on now, and there's literally three things left in the box, so we are down to the construction part now. So we've got to put all this together. Now this, you know, it's quite flimsy, so hopefully it will hold, and hopefully I've done it right. Now is the time. If you've messed up, you don't know where you've messed up, you have to backtrack. I'm hoping it's good. It's good. It looks good. I'm thinking I've got it. I'm thinking I've got it. It's all done. The two tracks are linked together. I'm guessing these prongs attached to here, and then we'll be well away. So there. Let's do this! Final stages. Well, there it is, the finished product, and a bit of a mare of the seats. I had it all wrong. I had to take it all apart and redo it again, but there it is. We're just waiting for some batteries, then we'll get it motorised. But that is awesome. Really, really cool that. So thanks so much for Aaron for sending that to the channel. Really appreciate that, dude. And it's surprisingly sturdy as well. Surprisingly sturdy. That is awesome. What I'll do is I'll link this on Amazon if you are interested in purchasing it. It's probably about any normal person, you're probably looking at maybe an hour and a half hour build. It took me about 3 hours because I'm dumb and I messed up somewhere. But this is a really nice piece of kit. The first time I've ever built Connects as well. And I'm really impressed. The quality is good. It's good plastic. It's not going to break. So I had to take it all apart and it's so rugged. It didn't break anything. And as soon as we get this motorised, we'll see the function box. It's just down there. We've got to pop some double A's in there. There's a little switch as well on the side, and we'll get this thing moving. So I hope you've enjoyed this video again. We do have more stuff being sent to the channel that I will be building, so people seem to be enjoying this building stuff. It's good in lockdown, we can actually get on with a project and build models. I'm loving it. And maybe I'll have enough to be able to take some to some model shows, you never know. But this thing is great, I'm really impressed. It is the Connects, and this isn't a sponsored video by the way, Connects haven't sponsored me. Sam's back from the shop, batteries and sweets. Cannot go wrong, so we're gonna open these up and get them in here. It's the only time you'll ever see me use a screwdriver. Right, I'll get back to you.